Hey guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to our daily stock market insights with Miss JD once again here. And in today's video, we are going to discuss how the top trending stocks performed in today's market. And before I get started, I'd like to invite everyone, if this is your first time to watch my video, this is Miss JD. I do review stocks in the Philippine market, US market, sometimes cryptocurrency because we want to be updated in these markets as I am highly active in both. And so if you like this type of content, I'm inviting you to join my humble network here. We're slowly building this and we want to educate more people and hopefully we can impact you guys in your trading journey. So please do hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell so you're always updated whenever I have new videos. Okay, so let's start. Let's talk about the index. How did the index perform today? Oh my. So there's another red. We were actually correct in our analysis over the weekend. I said that while it's true that we had a green last Friday, we're not super safe yet because that MA20 line is currently acting as our resistance. So chances are we might see some more declines given that we had a red here. So I still am anticipating that we could touch this level around the 6,600 level. So what does this mean to our stocks in the index? So we might experience some slow progress, if not a decline in these stocks. So try to closely monitor your positions, guys. Chances are, one, we're not 100% sure, but so far today, a lot of stocks, even the secondary stocks, second liner stocks, experienced some declines, right? My Very quickly, I just want to show you the stocks in my portfolio. A lot of them were red, and I only had Dito who was in green here. So, what actions did I take today? Technically, none as of no. I only did one thing. I reduced my size for Double Dragon because I felt that this is a resistance experiencing some signs of rejection or weakness, so it might go back. But my average here is 15.07 if I'm not mistaken. So we're still, I think I exited around 15.24. So we're still on a green, but I reduced, I think 40% of my position here. I plan to just re-enter. Still want to use the same buying power for the same stock here. I will re-enter in that position or in this stock when probably it touches around the 14, very near the MA20 line. So I'll try to take advantage of those dips so that it could lower down my average some more. But overall, I'm still very positive with Double Dragon because I feel that I have already entered in this stock at a very good level while it's on sideways. It has been on a massive decline significantly since 2017. So we have been moving sideways. So hopefully the REIT, right, DD REIT that we are anticipating to happen will also create some positive impact in DD as a whole. So let's go back. So there you have it. Even the second liner stocks are or have experienced some red, but good thing a lot of them we have entered at a good level, so we're still okay. I think my current, if I'm not mistaken, I'm still around 27% in my overall portfolio update. We're still green in our portfolio, so that's good. Next is let's try to check out PHA. Wow, solid 8.97% increase in PHA. So with foreign buying, so I think, and the volume is also good as you can see here. So I feel good about this. So I mentioned this. I think we also reviewed this over the weekend, and I mentioned that we might see some continuation for the uptrend, given that this is backed up by good catalyst, and so it has indeed moved um, higher. So what we are anticipating with the solid green, we'll see tomorrow if it is going to break the resistance level at this point. So this is really a bullish movement for PHA. So two things, okay? Once you see a sentiment starting to move higher, then that's a breakout. My recommendation is if you're interested in engaging in the stock on a breakout play, try to wait for it by EOD because we really don't know if we will have some profit taking that will happen. Sometimes it starts higher and then it does not hold, and the profit taking happens by end of day. So my take here is best outlook here is try to see where we are at right before we end the market. Dito at 18.12, I'd say this is still a resistance level. Still the resistance area. Could be here or here, but it's insignificant. It's still within the area. So I am still treating that as a resistance level. But look at this. I'm waiting for this stock. I think a pullback is about to happen anytime soon. But then again, we have no a view or advanced view as to where it could potentially stop, apart from the fact that we have some key levels to watch out for. It could be here or here. So I just feel like it won't really drop significantly. It's just probably up to 15 peso area. That's the next one, or here. It could drop up to that level, right? Because you had some days here where it stopped right here. That was your resistance, and supported here, or that became a support right over here. So I don't see it dropping, like going back to the 14 peso level. Okay, it's just going to stabilize right within that area. ACEN also had a red, but this is still fine. We are still higher than the MA20 line, so one of the good stocks uh, this 2021. I feel positive about ACEN, so we just want to take advantage of those dips that we have here and probably add more volume, right? Hopefully, you have already started a good base for the stock, and when it declines, those are our opportunities to start to add, because ASEN with the movements here, right? Just recently, I think they are establishing, if I'm not mistaken, a solar farm in Australia. So just try to read through that, and then of course plus ASEN is under Ayala, very good company. So I have a positive outlook for ASEN. This could be my next Dito. Right now, my Dito is already around 172% gain, and I'm not exiting uh, as of yet. I still see a lot of potential for this stock. So similar to that, that's another stock I'm looking forward to really prosper in the coming days. BSC. BSC, you had some green, but profit taking happened right immediately. So MA20 line is our next bet for our support. Hopefully it sustains and holds. So 1.14, that's the area I'm looking at. Two things here, don't expect an overnight success because sometimes it will take a few days to stabilize first before it takes off. APL, okay, APL, good thing I was able to take profit last Friday. Oh, was it Friday or Thursday? I got it. I got out at 0.28. So if in case this is going to go back to, let's say, the 23 level or 24, that's a good area to buy some more. So take advantage of those dips, as I feel that overall in the long run, given that this also has a good catalyst, then chances are we will really see this move higher. So take advantage of this consolidation that we have. No foreign selling. No foreign selling happened today. VUL. Oh, VUL. I hope that you guys have um, taken advantage of this bounce. This was a bounce. I think this is a good area to enter again. Solid, solid selling, significant profit taking, but we ended with a green. That means when people, uh, when the price reached around the 290, people felt that that was already it. That was already a good area to re-enter as price is already at a cheap level. So I think this one was supported by our uh, local investors and traders. So that's nice. At least even if we had a solid selling over here, we still managed to bounce. So that's a good sign because we have more people investing internally. Okay, so nickel is a breakout. I see this is a confirmed breakout. The reason why I said that is, you have that one entire candlestick outside of the Bollinger Band. No, higher than the MA20 plus. It triggered the Bollinger Band. So that's a good one. That's a good one. 52-week high. So again, when you are in that level, I think this is an all-time high even, right? More than the 52-week high. Oh no, there's much higher. Okay. So let's see where could we bounce or where could we proceed next. So we ended right there. Uh, Next possible area could be here. 7 peso, around the 7 peso level. So don't mind the 13, just use 7 peso area. That could be your next resistance. Okay, let's try the daily refresh. There you go. So that could be your next profit taking level. But I see a continuation right there. Mary Mart. Okay, so I was not able to re-enter and add more volume here. Good thing I did not add right over here. So we're still triggering the MA20 line. So chances are we could be dropping some more. One, it could drop up to here because you had a support at that area. Or two, it could go down up to this level. But definitely the market is giving us a chance to buy this at a cheaper level. And again, if you would like to engage in Merrimark, my take is try to consider a longer time horizon because overall this one is also a good company. Um, and get in as near as you can to, of course, our possible areas of support 6.66 and 6.29. BDO, not a good story here. We crossed the MA20 line moving downwards, so we might see some more declines. I'm anticipating another opportunity to get in at around 100 peso level. Get some foreign selling, so not looking good. Just hold on to your buying power because I know you can get it at a cheaper level still. MBT, nice bounce, nice recovery. This is your new support, guys. I see a new support at the bounce area. So see that? That's the new bounce area. Previous resistance can become a support. So when we crossed that, we did a gap up, retested it. So I think this is already it. It did not fully. I think it did not fully fill that gap. But there's a one over here. So hopefully it doesn't break anymore, right? Because you already crossed that MA20 line. I mean your previous resistance. URC, not looking good. Not looking good. Still a breakdown of the support. So we might see it dropping some more and next stop could be very near. This could be the next one. Uh, Reason for that is I see this as a support level, so it's probably just retesting that. Let's see how our RSI is also giving us advanced signals, moving higher while price is moving downwards. But I tell you guys, sometimes it could continue to decline and still project the same pattern like an ascending RSI, even though it is going to decline by how much, 10% more downwards. This gives us normally advanced signals. Converge still stabilizing. Just pegging it at this level in case price continues to drop around the MA20 line around 1727. So if you are interested in this stock, try to get in as near as you can in that area. Although there's foreign buying that happened, so let's see, maybe it is just going to stabilize a little higher than where I plotted. Could be here as well. Yan, over here, 1768. So two areas to watch out for. Okay, so far, how many have we covered? So these are the things we have covered so far. I don't want to keep this too long. I might bore you. Just go ahead and drop a comment if there are stocks that you'd like me to review. I'll try my best to record another one before the market opens tomorrow. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching. If you'd like to also create your or start trading the US market, I'll drop a link down below for my referral link for eToro. That's the platform I'm using. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye for now.